In this FluencyLink tutorial video, we'll look at how to assign and reassign an assessment. First, go to Assessment, Standard Tests. Locate the assessment you want to assign. Click here. The Assign button is this checkbox one. This button can also be accessed when viewing a test. Tests may be assigned to classes or groups, who may then complete the test to be evaluated for a score. Click the boxes to display lists of classes or groups, and type to narrow down the results. The available date will default to the current time. Click on this to change it to a future time. The due date is optional. The assessment will become unavailable to students after this date. Check this Available After Due Date box to allow students to attempt the assessment after the due date. You can assign to multiple classes, but currently an assessment can only have one start and due date. To assign to another class with a different start and due date, you can create a clone of the assessment. To do that, click here. Edit the title as desired. Check your settings and publish. Now I can assign this assessment with different dates. To unassign, click the Assign button, then click Edit here. Click on an X to remove a class or group. Then save your changes. This message here states that all scores will be lost if you unassign. The assignment will disappear from students' accounts and your reports. Click Unassign to confirm. To reassign an assessment, find it under Assessment, Evaluation. To reassign to students who have already submitted answers, click Pending Evaluation to display those students. Then click Reassign here. Select the students to whom you want to reassign the assessment. Then click Reassign Now. This message states that reassigning will delete previous assessment data for these students. You can select a due date here. You can also reassign to students that have not yet submitted the assessment. For example, if it's past the due date, you can use this to push the due date back. Select the students you want to reassign to. Then click Reassign. Enter a new due date here. You can also send reminders to selected students. This will appear as a notification on the student's account. The student account, they would see the notification here. Thanks for watching.